Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles in Avatar World. First, head over to the bustling city area and find the vibrant ice cream shop. Once inside, look for the special popsicle molds and a wide array of delicious flavorings. You'll need to combine your chosen ingredients into the molds, then place them in the freezer. After a short wait, your custom-made popsicles will be ready to enjoy. It's a simple and fun process. To begin, open the refrigerator within the ice cream shop. You'll find a fantastic selection of fruits and juices perfect for your popsicle creations. Feel free to mix and match, choosing up to 3 different flavor combinations for unique tastes. Make sure you have enough liquid to completely fill all the popsicle molds you plan to use. This step is crucial for getting those perfectly shaped, flavorful treats. Once your molds are filled with your chosen flavors, it's time for the freezing process. Carefully place the filled popsicle molds into the freezer compartment located in the shop. You'll need to wait for approximately 15 minutes for them to fully solidify. This ensures your popsicles are perfectly firm and ready to eat. After the wait, gently remove your delicious, custom-made popsicles from their molds. Now for the best part, enjoying your freshly made popsicles. You can share these delightful treats with your friends in Avatar World, or simply savor them yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with new and exciting flavor combinations next time to discover your ultimate favorite. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier in real life, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and have fun with your popsicle adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.